Does expired always mean dangerous? The staggering reality is that 1.3 billion tons of food are wasted globally every year, much of which is still perfectly edible. We are literally throwing money away because of a faint grey number printed on a package, a figure we often treat with the absolute authority of law. But wait, is that bread or milk truly ruined, or are we just being manipulated by the fear of time?
Right now, join me as we uncover what expired actually means. I'm Edward, and this is QC Project Simple Things.
The reality is, in most countries, including the US, there are no legal definitions for what an expiration date actually means. These numbers may look official, but legally they are just suggestions. Labels like Best By or Use By aren't safety warnings. They are indicators of peak flavor. Milk doesn't turn into poison at midnight, and bread doesn't transform into a biohazard the moment the clock strikes 12. Yet, we treat these printed numbers as sacred, allowing them to override our own natural instincts. It's not a hard deadline. It's just a suggestion in ink. So who actually holds the power to declare when food is officially over? The answer lies not with independent experts or government food regulators, but directly in the hands of the manufacturers. Most of us still believe that expiration dates are the product of rigorous bacterial testing, where scientists determine the exact moment food becomes hazardous. However, the reality is far simpler and more revealing. These numbers aren't mandated by a universal authority. They are created by the companies themselves. Inside corporate laboratories, brand specialists and technicians meticulously monitor how long a product maintains its specific crunch, color, or aroma. They map out the transition from delicious to barely acceptable, recording the slightest moment consumers might notice a decline in appeal. Once the data is ready, a human instinct takes over. Caution. The date on the label is rarely a measure of danger. It is a reflection of corporate anxiety. A generous safety buffer is often added, sometimes days or even weeks, because no brand wants to risk lawsuits, negative headlines, or a single angry customer post on social media. The label, therefore, serves more as a legal shield and a marketing tool than a precise scientific measurement. This is why your yogurt remains perfect days past its date, or your cereal stays crisp weeks later. That printed deadline isn't the moment the food dies, it's the point where the company stops guaranteeing its perfection. In other words, expiration dates reveal more about the psychology of reputation than the chemistry of spoilage. They expose a world where the fear of complaint outweighs faith in common sense, and where better safe than sorry is pragmatically translated into better safe than sued. Shaving a few days off the timeline keeps customers at ease and keeps sales moving. In this way, fear has become profitable. We have been conditioned to believe that fresh equals safe, while old means disgusting. Expiration dates were designed to protect companies, but they certainly weren't meant to save you money. What truly makes a meal dangerous? Spoilage isn't random. It's a biochemical reaction. Armies of bacteria and mold wait for the perfect conditions to explode, especially in the danger zone between 5 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius. In this range, bacteria can double every 20 minutes, turning fresh food into a health threat in just a few short hours. Moisture and oxygen are the ultimate enablers of decay. Oxidation breaks down fats, causing rancid odors, while proteins decompose and release pungent gases. Yet modern shields like vacuum sealing and gas flushing create fortresses that block this invasion, stretching food's lifespan far beyond the printed numbers. Long before labels existed, our ancestors utilized salt, sugar, vinegar, and oil. These ingredients work by starving the food of moisture or blocking oxygen, creating natural barriers to repel rot. Clearly, nature provided preservatives long before plastic wrap ever did. Look at the rice, pasta, or flour in your pantry. Kept dry, these staples can remain in perfect condition for years. Long before modern appliances, our ancestors enjoyed yogurt and cheese using nothing but traditional preservation wisdom. So why do you feel anxious the moment you see an expired date? Why let a mindless number override your own physical senses? The truth is, bacteria don't read labels. The safety of your meal depends on how you handle and perceive it, not on a stamp of ink. It's time to trust your own instincts instead of being controlled by an arbitrary deadline. At what point did we let a stamp of ink dictate when we throw away perfectly good food? We've become haunted by invisible threats that simply aren't there. A carton of milk a few days past its prime is perfectly safe as long as the cold chain wasn't broken. When stored correctly, eggs can last for an entire extra month beyond their supposed deadline. Frozen meat can stay for quarters, and canned goods are practically timeless. Let's be clear. Food poisoning is rarely caused by something being a bit old. The real culprits are careless storage, leaving food out in the heat or cross-contamination. The real tragedy is that we trust a printed label more than our own refrigerator. Our fear of spoiled food has shifted from a health concern to blind obedience to marketing conventions. This blind obedience comes at a staggering, quantifiable cost. Statistically, over 1 billion tons of food are discarded globally every year. Shockingly, roughly 20% of this waste happens simply due to date label confusion. Perfectly edible produce, bread and milk end up rotting in landfills alongside the very plastic meant to protect them. Inside supermarkets, the protocol is ruthlessly mechanical. Employees must clear the shelves the exact second the date changes. Intact, perfectly safe yogurt is thrown in the trash, not because it's toxic, but because the packaging says yesterday. Fortunately, the world is starting to push back. In the UK, major supermarket chains like M&S and Waitrose have completely stripped date labels from hundreds of fresh produce items. They made a clear distinction. The use-by warning is now strictly reserved for raw meat and seafood. Meanwhile, the EU and anti-waste campaigns are heavily promoting a three-step rule. Look, smell, taste before you waste. Numerous non-profits are now rescuing expired but perfectly safe food to distribute to those in need. Ultimately, our obsession with arbitrary deadlines is directly feeding the world's landfills, and that sheer waste is a level of rot no printed label can ever measure. Long before machines started stamping dates on our meals, humanity relied on a much sharper weapon, our senses. Our ancestors knew exactly when milk had turned, when meat was rotting, or when bread was genuinely inedible. That wasn't just a habit, it was pure survival instinct. The truth is, when food actually goes bad, it doesn't hide it. It warns you through visible mold, bizarre colors, a slimy texture, or a sharp, sour stench. Most of the time, the items we throw away have merely passed their peak flavor, not their safety limit. Staples like rice, pasta, flour, and hard cheeses can outlive their printed labels by a massive margin. Even eggs, if kept chilled, easily remain perfectly safe for weeks on end. Ultimately, your own eyes and nose are far more honest than a printed timestamp. The wisdom built into our bodies has been refined over millennia, and it is undoubtedly wiser than our manufactured fears. The truth is, expiration labels were never really about food. They expose a much deeper human obsession, our sheer powerlessness against time. We frantically stamp numbers onto things simply to feed our own illusion of control. We naively assume that by dictating the exact end, we strip away its power to shock us. Terrified of decay, we try to manage it. Petrified of loss, we assign it a metric. Every printed deadline is fundamentally a desperate attempt to pause the clock. Yet decomposition never asks for our permission. Things will age, morph, and fade whether we consent or not. And perhaps that profound helplessness is exactly why the concept of expired remains so haunting. I'm going to give you this 10-second rule. Next time you hold an expired item and think about tossing it, hold on. Don't let a mindless line of ink steal your meal. First, just trust your own eyes. See if the packaging is bloated or if there are any mold spots. If the color looks normal, it passes the first test. Next, let your sense of smell do the work. Our nose is an incredibly sharp survival alarm. Usually, spoiled food will always give off a rancid or sour odor. If it smells familiar, you are still safe. Finally, dare to touch and taste a tiny bit. Is the surface suspiciously slimy? Has the flavor changed? If not, the food is perfectly innocent. So, what do we take away from this? Expiration dates are about quality, not safety. They're guidelines, not laws. Learning to tell the difference between truly spoiled food and something simply past its peak isn't just about saving money. It's about respect. Respect for the resources, the farmers, and the planet. Every apple thrown away is more than just wasted fruit. It's water, energy, and human effort discarded for nothing. Knowing when something is truly gone and when it's still good means consuming consciously. Maybe freshness isn't about being new. Maybe freshness is about being cared for. Because the real expiration doesn't happen when food goes bad. It happens when we stop paying attention, when we lose our curiosity, forget to trust ourselves, and stop seeing the value in what's still here. Next time you open the fridge and see that little printed date staring back at you, pause. Don't ask, is it expired? Ask, is it still good? Look, smell, think. Relearn the language of your senses, because every time you save a carton of milk or a loaf of bread from the trash, you're not just saving money, you're saving a part of a culture that remembers how to trust itself again. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional food safety advice. Always store your food properly, and when in doubt, trust both science and common sense. Because the next time you see a date printed in ink, remember, expiration dates don't tell us what's safe. Attention does.
I am Edward, and this is QC Project Simple Things. Thank you for watching.
And turn on notifications so you don't miss the simple things in everyday life. Because what you see is never the whole story. There's always something deeper beneath the surface.